Off Top Radio.
Off Top Radio.
Yo, what up? It's your boy Fred the God, so they can't go, don't Frederico. Shout out to Off Top Radio. My people, my niggas, you already know. Salute, BX all day.
Yo, what up? It's your boy Pops NYC on that Twitter and Instagram, Pop Vision and all that. It's February 2013, February 8th to be exact, and it's a blizzard going on in the tri-state area. I'm sitting here in New York, Brooklyn to be exact, but Blizzard NEMO is going down in the tri-state area. I stepped outside in between the snowstorm, was able to catch up with a young lady that was shoveling, so we're going to let her tell her little story right quick. Off top. Did you think it was going to snow like this tonight?
Kind of excited.
Kind of excited?
Yeah.
Okay.
My kids sledding.
Nice. Are you originally from Brooklyn?
No.
No? Okay. Is this your first big snowstorm or no?
No.
No, okay.
No.
So you're used originally?
Poland.
Holland.
Poland.
Poland.
Yeah.
Look, I'm.
Yeah, that's okay.
No, the accent is wonderful. That's nice. So okay, so you're used to more snow than this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Off Top Radio. You know what it is, your boy, the D-Block General. Big shout out to Off Top Radio. In that fucking guap off top.